Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing the secret to effortless kitchen magic, the Magic Bullet Blender. This compact powerhouse blends, chops, and mixes in seconds, making your cooking faster and easier. Ready to see it in action? Let's dive in. Are you ready to transform your kitchen game? Meet the Magic Bullet Blender, the compact powerhouse that takes care of all your blending, chopping, and mixing needs, fast and fuss-free. Let's dive into why this 11-piece wonder is a must-have. With a sleek silver design and a high-torque 250-watt motor, the Magic Bullet packs serious power without hogging counter space. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, dips, or sauces, this blender delivers big results with minimal effort. Plus, its dishwasher-safe attachments make cleanup ridiculously easy. The Magic Bullet comes with an 11-piece set, including multiple cups, resealable lids, and a to-go lid for creations on the move. From hearty soups to frozen cocktails, this versatile tool proves that good things do come in small packages. With 110,000+ glowing reviews and an impressive 4.4-star rating, the Magic Bullet stands as the go-to blender for home cooks everywhere. Customers rave about its simplicity, speed, and durability, making it a trusted classic in the kitchen. Stop waiting and start creating. Pick up the Magic Bullet Blender today and experience the ultimate blend of convenience, style, and power. Ready to give your kitchen the boost it deserves? Tap the link in the description and grab yours now.